Right now, I want to show you the Curvy Roads feature on the Garmin zumo 590LM. Curvy Roads is a feature where available where you can avoid highways and use curvy roads instead. And it's a nice feature if you feel like taking the long way to get to your destination. We can enable this feature by going into our settings, navigation, calculation mode, and there we have Curvy Roads, the second one in the list. Usually your GPS is going to be set to faster time, and I'm actually going to leave it on there for a second because I want to show you something. What I'm going to do is start a route. So I'm going to select where to, and I want to navigate to a city. The name of the city is Barstow, which is nearby. It's in California. So we can select Barstow here from our suggestions. There it is. Select that. Hit go, and it is going to calculate our route from here to there. And I want to show you what this route looks like on the map. So I can go into here, 3-bar menu, map, and there it is. Here we are up there. There's Barstow. There's that pink line, which is our route, and we're just traveling right along this highway into California. Now remember, we're not using curvy roads right now. We have our calculation mode set to fastest time. So now I'm going to change it. We'll stop the route, go into our settings, navigation, change calculation mode. Now we're going to use curvy roads, and I'll show you how that makes a difference. We can go where to, into our recent points. There's Barstow. Hit go, and it's going to recalculate the route. Now, sometimes there is only going to be one way to get where you are trying to go, and that might be by the highway. So you might not see a difference when you select curvy roads, depending upon your destination, but it will give you a different route if it can. Let's take a look at the map again, now in curvy roads, and you can see instead of going along the highway here, it takes us all around here into California and back down again. Now this is a pretty extreme example because it more than doubles our trip and takes us pretty far out of the way, but this does show you what curvy roads is going to do. It's going to avoid those major highways and take you on the long route, but keep in mind that because you no longer have the fastest time calculation mode selected, it could be a longer trip both in time and in distance. So that is a quick look at the Curvy Roads feature on the Garmin zumo 590LM.